If your phone hits 1% when the lights go out, you do not have a phone plan. You have a countdown. And the expensive mistake is not always buying the wrong battery. It is discovering that your family cannot call, text, find a map, or see a local alert because the small pieces were never put together. Here is a simple 7-part phone plan for a normal home. No generator pitch, no brand ranking, just the checks that may help before a storm, heat wave, or surprise outage. First, decide which phones matter first. In most homes, that is not every device. Pick the adult phones that handle school calls, family check-ins, work messages, and local alerts. Before bad weather, charge those phones fully. 30% is not a starting line. It is a reminder that the plan started too late. Second, make the cable part of the battery. A charged power bank is useless when the USB-C cable is in a bedroom drawer. The older phone needs a different connector, or the wall adapter has disappeared. Put one tested cable with each power bank. If your household uses more than one connector type, check that before you need it. Third, check the power banks on a simple schedule. You do not need to obsess over them. But a battery that has been buried in a closet for 6 months may not be ready on the day you need it. Pick one day each month to charge the banks, inspect the cable, and put the kit back in the same place. Fourth, save the battery before it becomes urgent. Turn on low power mode early, lower the screen brightness, and stop using the phone as entertainment when you may need it for calls, texts, maps, and alerts. A phone can stay useful longer when it has one job: communication. Fifth, make a backup that does not need a screen. Write down the most important numbers: close family, a neighbor, your child's school, your utility contact, and any other number your household uses during an outage. Keep that card with the charging kit. A dead phone is much less stressful when the important numbers are still in your hand. Sixth, plan for the moment Wi-Fi is gone. Your router may lose power, and mobile networks can be busy during a local event. Before storm season, download the maps and information your family may need. A basic weather radio may also help you hear local updates. But do not treat a hand crank radio as a fast phone charger. It is better thought of as a separate alert tool. Seventh, give the phone fewer jobs. Keep one small flashlight or lantern separate so the phone is not lighting every room all night. Put the power banks, correct cables, written numbers, radio, and light in one visible charging tray. That makes the system simple enough for another adult or an older child to find without asking. There is one optional backup layer: a car charger. It may help when the car is safe and available, but it should not be your whole plan. The better first layer is already inside your home: charged phones, charged banks, working cables, offline information, and a place everyone knows. Use short check-ins instead of constant scrolling. Tell family when you will check messages. Then put the phone down so the battery is saved for the next message, call, map, or alert. Make the plan simple enough for someone else in the home to use. A quick practice is useful. Can another adult or older child find the power bank, cable, radio, light, and written numbers without opening 5 drawers? If not, move the kit into one visible place. Before shopping, start with categories, not brand hype. Power banks, correct charging cables, a basic weather radio, one separate light, and an optional car adapter. Buy only the categories that fit the phones and people in your own home. If you rent, keep it small and indoor safe. You usually do not need a generator setup just to protect basic phone communication. A small tray you can check tonight is a better starting point than a large plan you never finish. The best time to do this is before the sky turns dark. Charge the banks, match the cables, download what you need, and make the tray easy to find. These are small checks, but they may remove the worst last-minute scramble. Then decide which phones are the priority and keep the rest of the system around them. Power, cable, information, alert, and light each have a separate job. Check the description for the 3 product categories and the simple family checklist. This is not a guarantee or a product test. Check your own phones, connectors, household needs, and local guidance before you buy.